This year, I bought Duolingo's premium subscription, Super Duolingo, and I am questioning whether it is worth it or not. Currently, Super Duolingo is $12.99 every single month or $84.99 for the full year. So with Super Duolingo, you will have no more ads, you will have unlimited hearts, you will have mistakes review, you will also have a monthly streak repair, and you will have a new Super Duolingo app icon. So that is more of a bluish color versus the normal green color that we are used to. And there are unlimited attempts at legendary challenges. I want to know what your opinion is. Based off what I just mentioned, would you pay for Super Duolingo? Alright, when it comes to having no ads, for me, I don't really care about that benefit for Super Duolingo because when I was using the regular version or the unpaid version, I never really noticed that there were that many ads, to be honest with you. They didn't really distract me from doing my lessons. Unlimited hearts. Now, I actually do enjoy this benefit a lot because I feel like I can cruise through more lessons a lot easier since I'm not restricted to the number of hearts that I have. Beforehand, I would get a little irritated if I wasn't able to continue my lessons just because I made some mistakes. Now, for mistakes review, I never use this feature because, well, Duolingo already has spaced repetition, so if I do get a question wrong, more than likely I'm going to see it again. I'm going to have to practice again that word or that phrase that I got incorrect, so I don't feel the need to have to do another set of review of those mistakes that I made. For the monthly streak repair, I don't really care about this benefit because if I'm actually pursuing a streak, I want to make sure that I'm actually studying every single day, I'm completing a course every single day, and I'm learning something every single day. But if I have a repair, then that means I actually missed that day. So in this case, I don't feel like I actually maintained the streak. Unlimited attempts at legendary challenges. I don't really care for this either because I don't usually focus on these legendary challenges. One big question I've been asking myself to determine whether Super Duolingo is worth it or not is, am I actually learning my target language, in this case French, faster, and am I learning more? Because of the unlimited hearts, I feel like sometimes I am learning faster because I don't have to stop for the day just because I made some mistakes. But other than that, I don't feel like I'm really learning a lot more than I was previously. So, since I don't really care about the features of Super Duolingo and I don't feel like I'm actually learning more French and I'm not learning French faster, I definitely would not buy Super Duolingo ever again. The free version of Duolingo was just fine. I was very satisfied, although it wasn't perfect, but it was still good enough. Also, I'm the type of language learner that doesn't like to spend too much on learning my target language if I really don't have to. I created a poll on my channel here, and the question was, would you ever pay for a Super Duolingo? I had 161 votes, so we had 11% for yes I would, 55% for never, 16% for I already pay for it, 11% for what is Super Duolingo, and 7% for I don't use Duolingo. Same question for you. Would you ever pay for Super Duolingo? Let me know in the comment section below. Now watch this next video to find out what I don't like about Duolingo.